Munster Bovine offer electronic, DIY, EDIY milk recording, manual milk recording and robotic milk recording across these areas. It's a long day, but it's work that makes a real difference. Every farm is different, and that's what I enjoy. You're helping farmers get the best from their cows, and you see the impact of good data. Accuracy matters, because the right data leads to better breeding decisions, improved efficiency, and stronger herds. Every sample tells a story about herd health, milk quality, and performance. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about relationships. You get to know the farmers, their herd and their system. Our milk recorders work alongside farmers, ensuring accuracy, reliable data from every cow. Consistency, reliability, local knowledge, that's what farmers depend on. The Munster Milk Recording team are hired locally, working with farmers in their own area for milk recording with a team you can trust. Call Munster Bovine on 022 43 228.